Hey everybody, it's Dr. Fish, is the Mass Scientist. Guys, today I made the do-it-yourself McDonald's light-up sword. For this, guys, I used to live in Philly. I used to find these blue vials laying on the ground, so I picked them up. I made another man's trash my treasure. I took 4 blue finger lights. When you grab the vials, you just combined them to make like a sword, like I did. But I put the blue finger lights in here, like when I go like this, when I unscrew it, I'll show you the light. The light fits right in there. It's perfect. It got a little switch on it and everything. I went to McDonald's and asked for the small fries so I could make the do-it-yourself McDonald's sword. Basically, you just glue it right to the side of the vial. On both sides, you add the lights, combine the vials, and you got the do-it-yourself McDonald's sword. I really like this. This would be perfect to make with kids or a big kid and a scientist like Dr. Fish. I really like this. This is the do-it-yourself McDonald's sword. It's very cool. Very easy to make. Guys, please be original, creative, and explosive. See things that other people don't see. And make cool things like the do-it-yourself McDonald's light-up sword. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of Dr. Fish showing you the do-it-yourself McDonald's sword. Dr. Fish out.